Hi, welcome to a special market update. We're going to be looking at the S&P. The weekly chart here formed a bullish engulfing pattern, the white candle wrapping around the black real body. And normally a bullish engulfing pattern can bode well for rallies. Notice there was one here, the white wrapping around the black, another one over here. However, although this is a potential positive, one of the things I'm keeping an eye on is the market is now, the cash S&P is now at major resistance. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. This is now a daily chart. Now, notice the support area here, right around here, right around here also. So I drew a blue horizontal support line, and it's actually prior support was anywhere from around 1340, 1345 to 1340. And now that the market broke under it a few weeks ago on this session, notice what became resistance over here. And last week or a couple weeks ago, the market had a strong, looked like a strong week, but then failed right around the 1335 area. And on Thursday this week, it stalled right around the 1330-35 area. So although on both the daily chart, which is over here, we had a bullish engulfing pattern. It's fine to call it a bullish engulfing pattern even if a white candle wraps around a doji instead of a small, black real body. Although we had a bullish engulfing pattern here and a doji here, which signaled a potential rally, my concern is the market is now approaching the major resistance area. And yes, while we do have a bullish engulfing pattern on both the daily and weekly chart, what I do want to see for some final confirmation of a longer term rally would be a close above actually the 1345 area. I'm taking the change of polarity, old support becoming resistance, and actually also nudging a little higher to use the high over here as my resistance area. So anyway, from 1335 to about 1345. And on the S&P, on the Dow, same situation as far as change of polarity. Notice the major support area right around 126. Support broke under it. Actually around 126.50 down to around 126, broke under it, and look what became resistance. Long upper shadow, long upper shadow. On Thursday, long upper shadow. So although there was a morning star here, a white 3 candle signal, long black real body, small real body, and a white candle that gets more than halfway into the black real body. And it looks like it did get more than halfway into the black real body. Even if it didn't, we could certainly view this as a bullish engulfing pattern. We still like the S&P where we need to close above 1345 for me to turn positive. On the euro, I want to see a close above 126.50. And in that scenario, I'd be looking for the next resistance area up at around the 128.50 area. But coincidentally, both the S&P and the euro have strong resistance based on prior support levels. And as of now, unless we get a close above 126.50, my longer term target on the euro is all the way down here around the 119 level. Have a great day, everybody.